Hi, hello friends. I'm Dr. Yogesh from Goa. I have been practicing homeopathy for last 10 years, and I have always been a symptom or a rubric prescriber since last 10 years. Never had been to any sensation method or any seminars of sensation method because I had a experience of my own where I didn't find any good result with sensation method initially, and I was never able to understand their levels and all those whatever dictums they had in that method. So this Swara workshop came to me when I was attending a psychiatric module at the Other Song Academy, which was my first step towards a sensation method, you could say. And then I came to know about Swara module. So I hesitantly I paid my fees after speaking to Dr. Priyanka on phone, and I said, let me give a try, something new, because I was treating my patients. I had that feel that sometimes that patient don't get that minimum, and that wow feeling of homeopathy is not there. So to get that entire satisfaction of homeopathy, I felt like I should try something more also. Why don't I try any something or explore something more in homeopathy? So I came to a conclusion that I'll make a attempt and try to study or try to see what is more in this sensation method with the help of Swara workshop. So that was my basic entry in the Swara workshop, what I felt like to make on that day. So beginning with my day of experience from right from beginning, when I reached over here, it was a warm welcome what we received from the all the team from Swara workshop. Dr. Priyanka was there, Dr. Divya was there, and other members were there over here. And we received a very warm welcome. We never felt that we are going to some workshop where we a commercialized kind of workshop. It was like a family environment where all everyone was like waiting for us, as though we felt at the same over here after coming. And then we were been placed to a nearby very nice kind of accommodation. And to tell about more about workshop is like intensely jam packed with knowledge. And right from 5:15 in the morning what we start with, which we I used to never start in Goa. We start here by 5:15. We have a yoga session every day. The schedule is a different one, either a yoga session or a walk, talk violet walk, where we have a chance and experience to share our thoughts, our views with Sir Shekhar Algundi. Plus he shares a lot of things while we are at work. Third thing is sometimes we have meditations. Okay, so these things are there in the morning when we start right in the morning, 5 o'clock. And the thing is that it is very disciplined over here. We have a bell which rings at right around 5 o'clock, which we used to hear in the school, and thereafter we never heard about this bell. And that we experienced this over here, like going to our school days back. So 5 o'clock there was a bell for all meditation or either yoga or either talk at a walk. Okay, and then we used to start our session by 6:15 every day. So from 6:15 we used to have lectures right up till 9 o'clock in the night. So by 9 o'clock we used to start with our dinner, and in between there was a lunch. So the day was full jam packed. Never had that this like we wasted our time coming over here. Every moment of our was utilized for gaining the knowledge or for learning something new in homeopathy. uh, Regarding knowledge wise, lot of things were there. Like I was very hesitant, as I told you before also, because sensation method was very new to me. But sir helped us with live guided case taking, which I feel anybody who wants to know more about case taking or basics about case taking, which is very essential. As Dr. Margaret Taylor says that half case taken, taken case is a half or cured case. So which is a very basic thing for every homeopath. It's been taken by sir excellently, where he shows like how each and every word makes a difference for a patient to open up, to reveal his inner core, and what mistakes we do in our general practice, which we never even see, and we just complain that patient doesn't open up to us. But there is a problem with the homeopath or a physician who treats the patient, and that's why that patient doesn't open up. That's what I feel after attending this 5 6 days over here. And I feel that it is a very excellent tool which we can use in our day-to-day practice, even if you don't use a sensation method. But this method, this tool we can use for every of our patient to open up to us, speak to us, and we can have a very good understanding about a human being inside. Second thing is like we had all the cases which were being discussed. We had a debates on those cases. We have competitions amongst our groups, a lively workshop which we experienced, every one of us. I am yet to meet any person out of these 40 people who has said that it was not worthwhile. But instead, everyone who has already attended this workshop by accident, like me, accidentally, I have already booked for the next coming workshops also. Regarding food, accommodation, food was excellent. This food was really served in a nice manner. We were sitting on the floor, a very traditional kind of sensation and feeling what you get over here. Like you experience the real Konkan meaning. What is Konkan? After you come up for this workshop. Stay wise, no problem. Excellent stay what we had. No, not so ever any problem. And as it is, we were tired with the workshop and with the knowledge, so we never had any space to complain about anything. So on a whole, I would think the workshop is excellent. Anybody who wants to do something for their patients or have the inner conscious of as a homeopath, and who wants to do something for good for humanity, I feel that he should definitely attend this workshop, learn what is case taking in detail, as sir explains in every step by step. Learn what is the method of what is the sensation method, and how we are supposed to arrive to remedies, what are the different kingdoms, and how we level of experience, and how we have to correlate everything to understand a person and to prescribe to a person.